Anticipating the traffic of our apps can be as challenging as forecasting the weather. After all, how do you account for the traffic spike while keeping costs down and maintaining observability so you can make informed decisions? That's what Blackfire's new Organization Usage menu is for. Here's a quick rundown of the many ways the Organization menu can help you decide how to handle unexpected traffic surges. Control the activation of Blackfire monitoring per environment. Get a detailed view of the trace consumption. Display a daily breakdown per environment. The organization's usage page provides similar information for the profiler with breakdowns per environment. And that's just a few of the new features you can expect to use. For more information, visit Blackfire's blog and support page and follow us on Twitter at BlackfireIO for more news and announcements.